From the outside, tradition. From the inside, a reinvented home. In Moradia do Retiro, the thick granite walls and the pitched roof covered with clay tiles were preserved and given new life. The silhouette remains familiar, with the design of openings and frames faithfully replicated, while inside the atmosphere is contemporary and tailored for everyday living. Located in Santo Tirso, Portugal, Moradia do Retiro spans 627 square meters and was designed by Ricardo Azevedo Arquitecto, with photography by Ivo Tavares. Upon crossing the street door, a direct connection to the private courtyard was created, shielded from the gaze of the street. The path transforms the whitewashed construction into a domestic microcosm where past and present coexist seamlessly, with a strong sense of belonging to the place. The approach was simple: to preserve the envelope, the thick granite walls, and the sloped tiled roof while reorganizing the interior volumes for contemporary living, introducing light, clean lines, and a functional flow. The spaces were reimagined so that the living, dining, and kitchen areas open directly to the courtyard, with wide openings and leveled thresholds that extend daily life outward. This courtyard, protected by walls, built volumes, and vegetation, ensures privacy from the street without sacrificing light or ventilation. Connections to the outdoors are clear yet protected, making the garden a natural extension of daily life without exposing the residents' privacy. language is restrained. Bright surfaces highlight the texture of granite, selective objects give cadence to the spaces, and contemporary comfort arrives with discretion. With clay tiles laid on sloping planes, the roof follows local tradition, efficiently draining rainwater and protecting the interiors from heat and cold, maintaining a serene presence over the years. The thickness of the walls softens the light, defines the rhythm of the openings, and reinforces the sense of a solid and timeless shelter. Each room was calibrated to respond to the present, respect the past, and anticipate future needs with functional efficiency and emotional balance in everyday use. The design of openings and window frames replicates traditional proportions, maintaining continuity in the facade's reading even with modernized, better lit interiors. intervention values constructive solidity, prioritizing a robust, stable, and durable structure made with consistent materials and well-crafted details, capable of withstanding loads and weather over time without significant wear. In Moradia do Retiro, everything is organized to belong to its place. A serene presence from the street and a luminous generosity felt within, among the granite, tiles, and greenery outside. Here, it is confirmed that it is possible to renew without erasing, to unite memory and comfort, and to make daily life simpler, brighter, and more protected.